Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting additions to the motorhome world, the brand new 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Volvo has always been known for safety, innovation, and comfort. But now, they've taken their engineering excellence into the luxury motorhome market. This vehicle is designed to be the perfect blend of Scandinavian style, advanced technology, and practical living on wheels, making it ideal for long road trips, adventures, and even full-time living. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and of course, its pricing. The exterior design of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is where you instantly see the brand's DNA. Clean Scandinavian lines run across the body, giving it a sleek yet robust appearance. The large front grille with the signature Volvo emblem, paired with futuristic LED matrix headlights, gives the motorhome a bold and premium look on the road. Aerodynamics play a key role in its design, helping improve efficiency while maintaining stability during long drives. With retractable side mirrors, a panoramic windshield for enhanced visibility, and flush-mounted windows that not only improve aesthetics, but also reduce wind noise, the exterior screams modern luxury. The side profile showcases sliding doors and multiple storage compartments, while the rear is equipped with stylish LED tail lamps and a high-mounted brake light for safety. Roof-mounted solar panels come as standard, ensuring that the motorhome remains energy efficient even when parked off-grid. Moving inside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is where luxury truly shines. Volvo has applied its signature minimalist Scandinavian design, making the interior both functional and elegant. As you step in, you're welcomed by premium leather seating with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The cockpit features a fully digital driver display with advanced navigation, adaptive cruise controls, and lane-keeping assistance built right in. The large infotainment screen supports Volvo's latest software with over-the-air updates, voice command integration, and seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The living space is nothing short of impressive. A fully modular seating and dining arrangement can be converted into a bed, ensuring maximum use of space. The kitchenette comes equipped with induction cooking, a built-in refrigerator, a microwave oven, and even a dishwasher in higher trims. The interior lighting uses ambient LED strips that can be adjusted to suit mood and time of day. The motorhome also offers a smart climate control system that automatically adapts to outside conditions, keeping the cabin comfortable in both summer and winter. The sleeping quarters are designed with comfort in mind. The master bedroom features a queen-sized memory foam bed, USB charging ports, and dedicated storage spaces. Some variants even offer a retractable TV system and a skylight roof, letting you sleep under the stars. The bathroom is equally well thought out, featuring a rainfall shower, eco-friendly water usage, and a spacious layout with a modern vanity. Volvo has even integrated a gray water recycling system to ensure sustainability on long journeys. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain, combining a turbocharged petrol engine with electric motors, delivering both efficiency and power. With an all-electric range of around 150 kilometers, it's perfect for city drives or eco-friendly travel, while the petrol